Hey, good afternoon. This is Braden here with Perimeter Roofing. We are on claim number 260289755. Basically, y'all have opened up some coverage for some repairs on this roof. Right here, we do have a wind damage shingle. So the wind's gotten up under it, and you can see it's creased. It's also not sealed down to the roof anymore. So we are going to be attempting to repair this shingle right here. We are going to have to manipulate 1, 2, 3, and 4 shingles above this repair. So let me get started. I'm going to go ahead and break the seal on the shingle we're taking out, as well as these 4 shingles that are going to have to be lifted up so we can get those nails out and drive nails back in. So let me get started. Just by how these shingles are sealed down, I do expect to see some mat transfer, which is no good. All sealed. Two shingles. All sealed. Let's find these nails. Should be all the nails on this run. I gotta get the nails out from right here. Let's see. Should just slide that one out. Awesome. Alright. We are going to be going back to the same shingle. The ISO report, Oak Ridge Estate Gray. As you can see, it doesn't match perfectly because this roof has weathered over time. Alright, now when I'm nailing these shingles back in, I'm going to be as careful as possible, but I do have to lift them up to a certain extent so I can drive these nails in flush. So let me get started. Nailed in. On to the next. We've got these shingles fastened in. Now let's take a look at these shingles above. So you can see there is some creasing. Basically all these tabs, just from us having to lift this up to refasten these shingles in. See right here as well. Another thing I'd like to point out is, see how these are delaminated? In the future, when this homeowner gets wind, there's nothing stopping the wind from just blowing these right off, because they are no longer sealed to the roof because we had to manipulate them. You can also see right here where I had to lift this up, we do have some creasing. So everything that I'm seeing, I would definitely consider this a failed repair. I'm not going to be able to warranty this roof because, as you can see, I've damaged 1, 2, 3, and 4 shingles in the process of repairing just this one. They're no longer sealed down. Look, see if there's any mat transfer. Yep. See, we got a little bit of mat transfer right here, as well as right here. This is going to prevent these shingles from sealing down in the future. You can see it. You can see it real good right there. See that right there? So in the future, these shingles are not going to seal down properly, which is one of the reasons that we are not going to be able to warranty this repair. So I'd kindly ask that you reconsider, just repairs on this roof, because we've done more damage than good in the process of just replacing this one shingle. We've replaced 1 and damaged 4. So, in my professional opinion, I would say that for you to bring this home back to pre-loss condition, this roof is going to have to be replaced. So, I appreciate your time and have a good day.